Hello everyone, this is a group assignment for ELEC5620, Group 10, and our topic is art zone. So, what is art zone? In our definition, it is an online art gallery space with avatar in a metaverse space in real time. Our motivation is to allow you to appreciate and create artwork at home, but feeling of being in a gallery. Let me show you a schematic that I found on the web to show the metaverse art space. In the space, you can make your own avatar and manipulate your own feeling to walk through the gallery. As you walk through the appreciation area, you can see artworks from all over the world and learn about their authors. As you walk through the creation area, you can use advanced AI models to create your artworks and tell others your own art stories and reflections. And of course, anyone you meet anywhere, you can have a video conversation with them, simulating the experience of walking through the gallery in reality. These are a few of the highlights of this app. Now you can see the overall feature diagram of this product. It includes all the functions we have, and next, my group member will explain some of the features.
I'm going to talk about two core functions in our team project, the art workshop and the bulletin board. We have already talked about the architecture of the 4+1 viewpoint design. Then we use this kind of architecture to design these two functions. The art workshop is mainly for the whole process of creating art. In this diagram, use cases are used to describe the potential functions which can be used to interact with users. Users can make their artifacts with the art workshops by using their own descriptions and innovation. After that, we can use an interaction diagram to determine the sequence of using art workshops and what kind of information we would like to input keywords and request the artifacts. With logic views, we can clearly illustrate when each event is going to happen and when the whole event will end. In order to have a further understanding and detailed organization of the art workshop, we can use a state machine diagram to clarify the state transaction and triggers which would lead to the process of transitioning from the login state to the composite state of art creation. For the bulletin board function, there are similarities between these two functions. Use case diagrams can help us determine the requirement of bulletin board utilities for users and administrators, and the interaction diagram would contribute to designing the transaction of the information. The activity diagram can give us a large scale of how the management bulletin board process and reviewing process would happen. On the other side, a state machine diagram can demonstrate the state change for administrators and users.
Then, I will go through various diagrams to illustrate two specific functions, the social connect system and the trading system. Firstly, the social connect system. The social connect system is mainly used for all kinds of social activities of users within the system, such as moving in the virtual world, meeting, text chatting, video chatting, leaving messages to sellers, and so on. All these need to be controlled by real people in the real world. This activity diagram can tell the sequence of activities in the social connect system. For example, after clicking on the keyboard arrow keys, the character moved. After a character encounter, users begin socializing. The interaction diagram shows the interaction between the user, the system, and the database. The state machine diagram shows the possible states of this function. As there are a number of different statuses, so I cannot go into them here, and this is how the social connect system is designed. Then I'll introduce the trading system. There are two roles in this function, the user and the administrator. We can think of this as a small shopping center in the virtual world, where the user can buy and sell things. At the same time, users can view their own transaction history. The administrator has the responsibility of reviewing the products, and removing the offending items. The left diagram is the user's activity diagram and the right one is the administrator's. We can easily notice that the user and administrator interact with trading system by clicking on some specific buttons. And the trading system has a number of possible states. So this is the design of the trading system.
Next, I will introduce the gallery and the customized creation functions of our system. Firstly, the gallery function. As shown in the use case diagram, this function can be used by both administrators and users. There are four main functions in this section: view artwork list, view artwork introduction, set favorite artwork, and manage artwork. The first two functions are available to both users and administrators, while setting favorite artwork is a user-only function. Managing artwork is an administrator function. In the activity diagram, we can see the sequence of activities that occur after clicking on the gallery button. In particular, in View Artwork Introduction part, the user can choose the video introduction or the text introduction. The state machine diagram shows the possible states that can occur after performing the above related actions. Finally, the interaction diagram shows the interaction between the user, the system, and the database in this function, showing how the gallery function is achieved. Secondly, the customized creation function. As illustrated in the use case diagram, there are two main functions: produce customized product and buy customized product. The activity diagram shows the sequence of activities that take place in this section, clicking on the button to enter the section and start a customized product, where the customization requires the selection of a customized pattern and the type of customized product. For example, mark, clothes, and etc. Once the customization is complete, the user can purchase their own product. The state machine diagram shows the state changes after performing the above related actions. Finally, the interaction diagram shows the message interaction to explain how the function is implemented.
Overall, remember, this is a virtual reality space art zone for art appreciation, communication, and creation. Let's look forward to the launch of this product. Thanks for watching.